From inertial thinking to innovative breakthroughs, the power of the tree thinking mode. In this world, we live in a reality shaped by various thinking patterns. Although there are numerous theories of thinking patterns, none of them seem to allow ordinary people to easily understand, apply, and leverage them effectively. Therefore, I wrote the book Tree Thinking Mode Theory to address the thinking pattern issues faced by everyone and to provide a new perspective and approach for dealing with life's challenges. Challenging inertial thinking. First, let's explore what inertial thinking mode is. This is a pattern of thinking that gradually forms from a young age and becomes entrenched with age and social experience. Under the influence of this inertial thinking, people often display blind confidence and arrogance, overlooking different perspectives and opinions from others. The result of this thinking style is that people can become trapped in rigid thought patterns, making it difficult to break free from existing limitations. The impact of inertial thinking extends beyond the individual level and affects the entire society. Many social contradictions and conflicts can be traced back to people's inability to break free from their fixed thinking patterns. Stubbornness, resistance to change, and a lack of innovation led to missed opportunities and wasted potential. Tree thinking mode, an opportunity for rethinking. To help people break free from the constraints of inertial thinking, I propose the tree thinking mode theory. This theory draws on the characteristics of trees in nature, advocating a steady, flexible, and reality-rooted way of thinking. The tree thinking mode emphasizes personal autonomy and innovation while encouraging people to approach problems from different angles and seek new solutions. By utilizing the tree thinking mode, we can better handle life's challenges and discover more effective and innovative ways to solve problems. It helps us move away from fixed thinking patterns and fosters a more open and inclusive mindset. This new way of thinking will enable us to navigate relationships and collaborations with greater flexibility, thereby creating a more harmonious society. Practical application of tree thinking. The tree thinking mode is not just a theory, it can be applied in our daily lives. First, in the workplace, it encourages us to proactively seek new problem-solving methods instead of relying on past experiences and habits. By maintaining an open mindset, we can better tackle work challenges and collaborate with colleagues on innovative projects. In family and personal life, the tree thinking mode can help us approach issues with more calmness and understand family members' viewpoints and needs from multiple perspectives. This thinking style promotes harmonious family relationships and reduces unnecessary conflicts. Moreover, the tree thinking mode can also lead to better outcomes in education and self-improvement. By remaining open to new knowledge, we can continually learn and grow, overcoming our inherent limitations and achieving personal development. From changing our thinking to changing the world. Challenging inertial thinking is no easy task. It requires courage and determination. However, it is a path worth exploring, as changing our thinking patterns can bring more possibilities and opportunities for ourselves and others. By re-evaluating and adjusting our thinking patterns, we pave the way for a more open, innovative, and harmonious society. So, are you ready to challenge inertial thinking? Are you willing to change yourself to bring more harmony to the world? Through these efforts, we can collectively move toward a better future. Let's work together to create a more inclusive, innovative, and hopeful world.